Hello student. Hello student. Today we are discuss about part 1 new topic linear programming. Okay. Linear programming topic. Board mark weightage is 4 mark. So linear programming using the linear equations. Linear equations in two variables means example is x plus y equal to 5. These are the linear equation. Linear equation. Linear equation in two variables x and y. These are the two variables. Linear equation in two variables x and y. Okay. These are the two variables x plus y equals to 5. These called as linear equation. Okay. So linear equation already studied in 10th standard. First topic linear equation in two variables. Okay. This way x plus y equal to 5. Using this equation in xy axis plot the 2 points and draw the lines. Okay, these points already understand in 10th standard. So next point is linear inequation. These are the linear equations, and next is linear inequation. Linear inequation means similarly x plus y greater than or equal to 5. X plus y greater than or equal to 5. This equation is called a linear inequation, and this equation is called a linear equation. In this equation, two conditions. Which two conditions? X plus y equal to 5 और दूसरी कौन थी? x plus y second x plus y greater than 5. Okay, these are the linear inequation. These two conditions is okay. These condition using draw the line in xy axis x plus y equal to 5 or x plus y greater than 5 means these equation denote the region. Okay, this equation denote the region. X plus y equal to 5 or this equation x plus y greater than 5. This equation draw the line, and this equation denote the region of this line. Okay, below or above. The next point is definition of linear inequation. Definition of linear inequation. A linear inequation in two variables x, y is a mathematical expression of the form ax plus by less than c and ax plus by greater than c. These are the two conditions where a not equal to 0, b not equal to 0. Okay, and a comma b belongs to R. A comma b belongs to R. Okay, these are the definition of linear inequation. In linear inequation in two variables x, y is a mathematical expression of the form ax plus by less than c and ax plus by greater than c, where a not equal to 0, b not equal to 0, and a comma b belongs to R. Okay, these are the definitions of the linear inequations. Okay, the next point is convex set. A set of points in a plane is said to be convex set. Convex set means a set of points in a plane. एकाच plane मध्ये in a plane is said to be convex set if line segment joining any two points of the set entirely lies within the set. Means In this one, convex set means set are the set equals to A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, these are the set. And convex set means kind a set of points in plane is said to be convex set if line segment joining into two points. Means set denotes, these are the set denotes in square or rectangle, triangle, circle. Okay, the points are 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, these are the points. So these two points connects. Okay, 1 and 4 means, or these are the sets. Next another set is these two points are connect. These are the examples of the convex set. These are the examples convex set. Okay, first and second non-convex set. Non-convex set means, okay, see here, these are the diagrams. Okay, so here 1 point, 2 point, and these joining these 2 points. Okay, these joining these 2 points, this line. So mention this portion. This portion is outside the diagram. Means these are the non-convex set. Okay, another diagram is, so this is, so these are the region and these are the empty region. Okay, these are the 2 points here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and connect these 2 points. These are the convex, but connect these 2 points. These are the non-convex set. Okay, so this region, shaded region here, dark here, is called non-convex set. Okay, these are the convex set and these 2 diagrams are the non-convex set. Okay, the next point is note the convex set may be bounded. First note is the convex set may be bounded. Means bounded means these are the diagram, 2 points connect. Okay, these sets are called the bounded set. And second, the convex set may be unbounded. Unbounded means these are the diagram, xy axis here. Okay, these are the curve. These 2 points connect. These diagrams are called the convex set may be unbounded and this diagram is only bounded. Okay, the next point is the note. Next point is note first graphical representation of x less than or equal to h and x greater than or equal to h on the Cartesian coordinate system. Draw the line x equal to h in x or y plane. Okay, see here in the, these are the x axis and y axis. Here origin, so this side is plus x axis, plus side 1, 2, 3. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. These are the y axis. Okay, here 1, 2, 3. Here minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. These are the lines. X axis positive, negative, y axis positive, negative. Okay, and then x equal to 0. X equal to 0 असेल इक्वेशन तर which axis here x equal to 0 डिनोट कुठे करणार आहे आपण. these are the x equal to 0. x equal to 0 असेल तर ती कोणत्या ॲक्सिस वरती पॉइंट असणार आहे, y ॲक्सिस वरती. आणि y equal to 0 असेल तर तो कोणत्या ॲक्सिस वरती पॉइंट असणार आहे. these are the y equal to 0 असेल तर तो पॉइंट इन x axis and x equal to 0 असेल तर these points are y axis. Okay, so in this equation draw the line, which line, x equal to h in x y plane. These are the two conditions. x less than or equal to h and x greater than or equal to h. So the first condition is x less than or equal to h means x equal to 0. Draw the x equal to h. Draw this line x equal to h, or next x less than h. X less than h. Okay. So x equal to h. X equals to h. So see here h is positive side. In this diagram, these are the first quadrant, second, third, and fourth quadrant. Okay. These are the basic all concept. So draw this point here. Okay. See here. So the next diagram of this equation here. Okay. X equal to h. So h mention here the positive, h positive. So here x equals to h. Draw the line x equal to h parallel to y axis. These are the x axis, these are the y axis. Here origin, these are the length h equals to, and x equal to h means parallel to y axis. Okay. These are the points x less than h. X less than h. This side x, these are the points 1, 2, 3, and these are the greater, and these are the less. X less than h means these are the directions. The point is here, x less than h. Okay. So the graphical representation of the first point x less than or equal to h. These are the diagram. First condition x equal to h. X equals to h value where are. Okay. These are the distance, and x less than h. Less than असेल तर this side of the portion denote the less than. Okay. Or greater than असेल तर line. These are the origin side, and here non-origin side. Less than means the origin side. Okay. These are the first point. Second point is so here second point x greater than or equal to h. Okay. So x greater than or equal to h. So see here similarly denote here xy axis. Okay. Origin x axis, y axis is here. Okay. These are the first quadrant. X similarly here x equal to h or x greater than h, or x greater than h. So similarly x equal to h means the positive side. So these are the distance. H denote here. X equal to h means parallel to the y axis. Okay. Right. Draw the line. Okay. These are the distance. So next condition x greater than h. Greater than, these are the portion origin side is less than, and these are the portion greater means. Okay. These are the condition x equal to h, and which graph is here x greater than or h. These are the graph of the second equation. Okay. So understand this concept. These are the basic points, and understand the basic point properly. Then using these points, next example solve. Okay. The next second note is graphical representation of y less than or equal to k, and second equation y greater than or equal to k on the Cartesian coordinate system. Draw the line y equal to k. Similarly, remaining note, draw the x equal to h, and here y equal to k in the x y plane. So first point is here. Which first point? Y less than or equal to k means y equal to k or y less than k. So draw the xy axis here. Okay, this way. Draw here. These are x axis, y axis. Here origin. So the y equal to k. these are the y-axis. Here negative side, here positive side. Okay, y equal to k mention here. Y equal to k. This distance is k here. Okay, y equal to k means parallel to the x-axis. This line parallel to the x-axis. और second point किसका है तो y less than k. Y less than k. Okay, see here. Y less than k. These are the 0, 1, 2, 3, and these are the below part. These are the above part. Okay, these two parts. Okay, so these are the 1, 2, 3 means the below means less than part, and these are the greater than. So direction is here mentioned this time. Okay, these are the diagram of the y less than or equal to k equation. Similarly, find out the second point, y greater than or equals to k. So second point is here, y less than or equal to k means y equal to k or y greater than k. Similarly, the xy axis draw here. Next line is here, origin is here, x axis, y axis. These are the distance k equals to. Okay, so y equal to k means the parallel to the x axis, and y greater than k. Y greater than k means the above the parts greater than. Okay, this way. Okay. These are the points greater than means y equals to k, and the next y greater than or equals to k conditions. Okay, this way complete the second remark. Okay, the next note is note number 3, graphical representation of ax plus by less than or equal to 0 and ax plus by greater than or equal to 0. This type of the condition on the Cartesian coordinate system, the line ax plus by equal to 0, ax plus by equal to 0 passes through the origin. Okay, see this point ax plus by equal to 0. This line passes through the origin. Okay, two condition here, x plus by less than or equal to 0 and x plus by greater than or equal to 0. See here, the similar way, draw the graphs here. These are the xy axis. Okay, origin is here. The line x plus by, the first line, which line x plus by? So here mention the points here. 2x plus 3y, first equation is 2x plus 3y greater than, less than or equal to 0, means the equation is 2x plus 3y equal to 0, and next equation is 2x plus 3y less than 0. Okay, this equation plot here, and this line passes through the origin, because x plus by equal to 0 passes through the origin. So these are the lines. Okay, and 2x plus 3y less than 0. Less than 0 means these are the greater and these are the less. So mention here. Okay, this type of the graph of this equation. Similarly, the second equation, which are the second equation? 2x minus 3y. Similarly, 2x minus 3y greater than or equal to 0. 2x minus 3y greater than or equal to 0. Okay, in this equation, similarly here 2x minus 3y equal to 0 and 2x minus 3y greater than 0. So mention here. So these are the xy axis. Okay, xy axis 2x minus 3y equal to 0. This line plot this xy axis. So these are the lines. Here denote the lines. This line is 2x minus 3y equal to 0, and next condition 2x minus 3y greater than 0. Greater than 0. Okay, so in this equation, the greater than means note number 3 important, ax plus by less than or equal to 0 or ax plus by greater than or equal to 0. The Cartesian coordinate system, the line ax plus by equal to 0 असेल तर passes through the कशामधून जाणार आहे origin मधून. Okay, these are the two examples. The next point is last one note is to find the solution of which solution ax plus by less than or equal to c and ax plus by greater than or equal to c. Graphically draw the line ax plus by equal to c in xy system. In xy system means which quadrant? xy. So these are the x-axis, y-axis and origin. xy axis means which quadrant here? First quadrant. Okay, in first quadrant a, b, c are values. a, b, c values are greater than 0. Okay, it divides the plane into two parts. It divides the plane into two parts. Each part is called half plane. Okay, these are the equation ax plus by greater than or equal to c or he less than or equal to c or greater than or equal to c. This divides the plane into two parts. Okay, these are called the half planes. These are the x-axis, y-axis. Okay, two diagram draw here. xy axis. So in this equation first ax plus by less than or equal to c, ax plus by equal to c, ax plus by less than c. Okay, first point ax plus by less than or equal to c, ax plus by equal to c and ax plus by less than c. So this line denote in which quadrant? xy plane means first quadrant. Okay, so draw the line here x plus by less than or equal to c. These are the line x plus by equal to c. x plus by less than c. Less than c means which side? Origin side. Okay, these are the direction. Okay, equation is ax plus by less than or equal to c. Okay, and here a comma b comma c greater than 0. The first equation. Similarly the second equation. Second equation is which second equation? ax plus by greater than or equal to c means ax plus by equal to c and ax plus by greater than c. Draw the xy axis here. xy axis, x-axis, y-axis, origin. Okay, x plus by equal to c. In x and y planes means draw the first quadrant here. These are the lines. Which line here? x plus by. These are the line equations. So x plus by equal to c and x plus by greater than. Greater than means these are the less than. Below the part is less than and above the part is greater than. So denote here these are the region. Okay, so the equation is x plus by greater than or equal to c. Okay, these are the equation. Okay, which second point? This way notice all notes is important. All note you draw the all graphs and this point. Okay, exercise 7.1 question number first, solve graphically. First example is x greater than or equal to 0. Okay, these equation denote graphically. So see here, these are the xy axis, these are the x-axis. Okay, these are the y-axis. Here origin. Okay, this side positive term, this side negative terms, here positive, here negative. The equation is x greater than or equal to 0 means first condition x equal to 0 and or y greater than 0. Okay, these are the conditions. X greater than 0. Okay, x equal to 0 means which coordinate denote here x equal to 0? Which axis? Y axis. Here x equal to 0, all values in y axis. Okay, means x equal to 0. These on the y axis. These are the axes. X greater than 0. X का है x greater than 0 means x equal to 0 denote here, and x greater than 0 means these are the positive sides 1, 2, 3 and these are the negative sides. X greater than 0 means denotes these sides. Okay, these are the first graph. Okay, condition is x greater than or equal to 0 means x equal to 0 denote which axis? Y axis point, and x greater than 0 means this side. Okay, similarly the second point which is second point? X less than or equal to 0. X less than or equal to 0 means x equal to 0 or x less than 0. Less than 0 means these are the greater than means plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, and less than means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 this side. Okay, draw the graph here. Similarly x y axis here. Okay, x axis, y axis. So x equal to 0 point denote which axis? Y equals to means x equal to 0, and x less than 0 means this side negative terms here less than. Okay, this region denote here graphically. These are the two equations. Similar way, find out the remaining two examples. In question number 1, the remaining example 3 number is which? Y greater than or equal to 0, and fourth one is y less than or equal to 0. These two examples similar way find out. Okay, the next example is next question is solve graphically x greater than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0. Already these 2 points separated. Draw the graphs. Okay, but in this example these two equations combine graph. Okay, so similarly here x greater than or equal to 0 means x equal to 0 and x greater than 0, and y greater than or equal to 0 means y equal to 0 and y greater than 0. Denote these the graph. You see here, these are the xy axis. Origin is here, x axis, y axis. 1, 2, 3 positive terms here. Then minus 1, minus 2, 3. Okay. So y axis denote here x equal to 0. Okay. Means this condition x equal to 0. Here y axis y equal to 0. या ऍक्सिस वरती x कोऑर्डिनेट काय असणार आहे 0 असणार आहे, आणि या ऍक्सिस वरती y कोऑर्डिनेट काय असणार आहे 0 असणार आहे. ओके, सिमिलर वे दिस कंडिशन फर्स्ट ऑन द दिस ऍक्सिस y axis okay x equal to 0, x greater than 0 means which side? This side. Okay, this side. Okay, x greater than 0. Similar way, the second condition y greater than or equal to 0, comma y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 means this is the x axis, and here x axis y equal to 0. Okay, y greater than 0. Y greater than 0 means these are the y-axis. Y greater than 0 means above the parts region here. Okay, this portion draw here. These are the portions. Okay, here x greater than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0 means या दोन इक्वेशन चा कंबाइंड पार्ट कोणता आहे याच्यामध्ये सी हियर these are the combined parts. Okay, these are the combined parts. Okay, here is here only this portion is a shaded region. Which quadrant is here is the first quadrant. Okay, these conditions shaded region in first quadrant. Okay, these are the graphical representation of this equation. Okay, solution is first quadrant. Solution is first quadrant. Solution is first quadrant. These are the diagram of the first equation, x greater than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equals to 0. Okay, this way. Similarly, find out the remaining examples. Okay, the second example, see here. The second example is x less than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0. Okay, these are the conditions. So in this equation, x less than or equal to 0 means x equal to 0, comma or x less than 0. Similarly, y greater than or equal to 0 means y equal to 0, or y greater than 0. Okay, these conditions denote the graph here. XY axis, origin is here, x axis, y axis. So first condition denote the graph x equal to 0, y axis. In y axis, x equal to 0 point denote the y axis. Okay, and x less than 0 means these are the positive sides, means greater than, and this side are the less than, means okay, these are the direction less than, this way. Similarly, y greater than or equal to 0, y equal to 0 means these x coordinate or point. In x coordinate, x axis, y equal to 0. So y greater than 0 means this portion shaded here. Okay, this way. Okay, this point understanding, direction denote this way, because x less than 0 denote this portion. Okay, and y greater than 0 denote this portion. Okay, so in this equation, though this region is common, which region is common? Okay, these are the region is common, so remaining direction is okay. The condition is x less than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0. Shaded region in second quadrant. Okay. Solution is here. Solution is second quadrant. Okay. This way, find out the remaining two examples. Okay. Question number 2 example is here, and 3 and 4 you complete properly. Any doubt, ask me. Okay. सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांनी बघा, लिनियर प्रोग्रॅमिंग डेफिनेशन राईट डाऊन करायचे आहेत. लिनियर इनइक्वेशन, त्याचप्रमाणे कॉन्व्हेक्स सेट, नोट ज्या आहेत सर्व राईट डाऊन करायच्या आहेत. फर्स्ट 2 नोट्स आहेत आणि नंतर रिमेनिंग 4 नोट, याप्रमाणे 6 नोट आहेत टोटल विथ डायग्रॅम कंप्लीशन करायचं आहे. त्याचप्रमाणे एक्झरसाइज 7.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट अँड सेकंड जो आहे तो कंप्लीट करायचा आहे. ओके. Thank you.